everyone. Hi runners, how you doing? Good morning. See, this is the finale week. Finale week for what? The most prestigious event in India, the mother of all races, the Big Daddy, Tata Mumbai Marathon 2023. And this year it's the 18th edition, and it's extra special. Why? Because this year it's happening after a gap of 3 years. Last Tata Mumbai Marathon happened in 2020, and then 21-22 were gap years, and now 2023. Celebrity runner and ACSM certified coach and the head coach of Asics Running Club Mumbai, Mr. Girish Bindra, is going to answer all the questions related to the finale week of Tata Mumbai Marathon. Good morning, coach.
Good morning. Hello, Rajeev. How are you?
Very well, sir. And how was your run today?
Awesome. We did a 12K last double-digit run. So 4 days before, just to be in the groove, and we really enjoyed. Weather is really good today, but we cannot rely on the weather.
Absolutely.
This can be an illusion, so we are just focusing on our run rather than on the good weather.
Absolutely.
We have seen many times in the previous editions also, the weather is good few days before and on the race day.
As the race day approaches, the third Sunday of January approaches, suddenly the weather changes.
So we are not believing in this.
Sir, start karte hain Q&A.
Yeah.
We'll divide our questionnaire in the before, during and after the event.
Okay.
Now, the couple of days, 4 days leading to the event, what a runner, an experienced or somebody who has just recently started running, what are the things they should keep in mind?
So the last 3-4 days now, your focus should you should have as much rest as possible. Have a good sleep Thursday night, Friday night, because Saturday you wouldn't be in a sleeping mode much, because morning you have to get early.
Correct.
The tension, many will be in tension, but take it relaxed. So the next few days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, get as much sleep as you can.
Yeah.
No workout heavy, just be on the light mode. You can do a small jog, walk.
Okay.
Stretching is very much essential the next few days, so to keep our mobility, flexibility on a good mode. Last day you can have a short run, 2-3 kilometers to be in that mood.
Last day as in the
Saturday.
penultimate Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Saturday, as it is in the session also, we do a 2 to 3 kilometer run and go work out and stretches.
Right.
To be in that flexibility mode. So it's better not to stress yourself, get as much rest as possible. Keep the hydration high.
Correct.
The body, you can have electrol, have a 1 liter bottle and put electrol in it and keep on sipping towards next few days.
Okay.
So that's a very good. You should be fully loaded rather than being
your
exhausted.
energy levels are depleted.
Yeah. Also not about physically, but mentally also you should keep yourself calm.
Correct.
The next few days you shouldn't stress much. Think about whatever you have done in the training, you have done.
Right.
You just have to go and perform now. That's it. Go and enjoy a run.
At times it happens, anxiety also catches up, and there are a lot of my friends who have been saying, Rajeev, we are feeling like examination fever and stuff like that.
Yeah, so just control yourself, have a cool, calm mind,
Right.
Visualize your run.
Correct.
So visualize that you are doing a good run, you are running strongly, having a good strong finish with a smile on your face. It will really help you to stay focused and have a good run over there.
Now, sir, we talk about the actual event. What are the bullet points what every runner needs to keep in mind? First we address the runners who are experienced, who've been running for quite some time. First we talk about that.
Everyone has their own strategy. They have a target. I want to do in this time, I want to finish in this
Correct.
time. So what you have done, tried and tested, try that method itself. Don't try something new. If you have done a half marathon, say in 2 hours,
right,
your target should be in that mode. You won't try, no, I will do now 145 to 130. Be
Right.
realistic. What you have trained, go and do accordingly. Don't just see the other runners. Just listen to yourself, listen to your body.
Yeah,
so
coach.
Always have an easy start. Listen, see how the weather condition is, how your body is adapting it. Just follow it up, and towards the middle you can see that okay, you're feeling good. Just keep in that groove.
Correct.
Second,
so basically keeping things very simple. Whatever, irrespective of the amount of training we have had, हो सकता है हमने properly अच्छी ट्रेनिंग की हो या कम ट्रेन किया हो, but it is better to trust whatever methodology or guidance we have received from coaches, from our seniors, and just go and express ourselves
Yes.
rather than experimenting something new in any whatever way.
Because this is a big race. We don't want to spoil our race.
Correct,
So it's
correct,
better
correct,
what you have done, tried and tested, go accordingly.
What kind of a pacing bus should, as a runner, I target? Should I target the timing, the bus timing, which is closer to mine or faster than mine? So this is one question a lot of friends have been asking.
If you have trained that well, if you have the timing criteria of 10k you have done in this time,
Correct.
5k you have done in this time,
Right.
then only you can focus to know that in training if you have performed well than the last 215 condition, then only you can try. Otherwise don't try that because it will be risky. You will go too fast and in the second half you can't sustain.
end up burning out yourself.
Yes.
So words from the wise man, from Coach Girish, that in practice, in training, what all we do, what all things we have tried and trained for in the practice runs, in the practice sessions, that is exactly what we need to replicate on the race day. Girish sir, we spoke about the runners who are experienced, who've been running for quite some time. And now I'd like to address the runners who have picked up running in the past couple of months, who are relatively new to running. They have qualified for 10k or a half marathon or maybe a full as well. What's the advice you would like to give to them during the race?
If
What
this
is
is
that?
your first race, first run, 10k, 21, 42, I would really say that enjoy the race. Don't think of the timing. First is always special. So just relish, go and enjoy that feel.
Right.
That feel, the first one you won't get again. Second, third, you can focus. Okay, first I did in this timing, second I'll do this. But the first, you never know what it is. So just go and enjoy your run.
Enjoying the event, being in the mood, and especially if you are a new runner, that's the day to soak in all the euphoria, excitement. That's the first thing, and that's a global event
Yes.
in India. Cramping during the race, new or experienced runners, for the cramps or kind of muscle pulls and all, if they tend to experience during the race.
Hydration, like I mentioned, that you should have electrol 2-3 days before only.
Yeah.
Have a 1 liter of bottle. Have electrol, mix up and keep
Yeah.
on sipping throughout the day. So your body should be fully loaded. It shouldn't be depleted, dehydrated. You will get cramps if your energy level is low, your glycogen level low.
After how much time or after how much distance should I sip in, take the sips of water?
So
or
once
another?
your body is fully loaded, fully hydrated, during the run, like my mantra is every kilometer I keep on sipping one sip, and I 200 ml water you can say every 20 minutes I have.
Okay. So accordingly, after that much amount of time, depending on what pace you're running at. If you're completing your kilometer at a much faster pace, you will be probably needing to replenish yourself much faster.
And if there is a weather is supposed today's weather is good, but
Yeah.
at that day if its humidity is high,
Yeah.
so you will sweat more.
Correct.
So you need to replenish more. So just check how you feel and keep on hydrating. If you feel more dehydrated, just keep on having more water with electrolyte.
How would you like to address this issue? Should I have gels all of a sudden, or the energy bar, should I carry them along with me, or some new energy drink I should carry in my sipper?
Hydration support during the Tata Mumbai marathon is superb. They have more than 24 hydration stations with energy stations, snack stations. If you have tried gels or anything, bars, during your training,
Correct.
then only go and have in the race. Don't try it for the first time. You never know how you will feel. So if you have tried before, then only go and use it. Otherwise, nothing new to be experimented on the race day.
And now, coach, we've covered first two segments: before, during, and now we talk about after the race. Once we have completed the race, once we have crossed that finish line, so once we have completed our race, then what are the pointers we need to keep in mind? What are the things we need to be aware of?
So after you complete, when you cross the finish line, the joy, you can feel the joy that after completion, so much training, hard efforts, and this thing is over. I know you must be really happy, but after the finish, go a walk. Don't just stand still. Then do your cool down. Like before the run, how do you do 10 minutes of warm up?
Right.
After the run, cool down is very essential. Our muscles are blood circulation, everything is activated from the last 2, 3, 4 hours we are running.
Right.
So better not to go in a still mode, be on a little mode, walk, let your heart rate come down a bit,
Correct.
do your cool down.
Because
and
in your
then-
excitement of clicking pictures and selfies, but you have covered a long, considerable distance. So cool down plays a major role
Very.
in the recovery process.
Yes, so that's the first part. Once you have done with the cool down, keep on hydrating, water, electrol, eat food, fruits that they'll be giving you,
Yeah.
the carbs, protein, whatever
Right.
combination you have.
The night before or the day before.
So early morning we'll be getting up, say 5:15 is the race. We'll
Right.
be getting up, say 3 o'clock, 4
Correct.
o'clock we'll be leaving before that, and we'll be reaching the venue by 4:30. So you should have an early, say 24 hours we can say before.
Yeah.
Have a good healthy breakfast.
Right.
Good healthy lunch as well.
Yeah.
Dinner should be light and eaten before 7. Your body needs
Okay.
to get digested, because if
You have to
eat by
wake up in the middle of the night.
middle of the night, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock,
Right.
and go to bed early. So at
Yeah.
least we can't sleep much, but we can have 5 to 6 hours of sleep if essential.
Mm-hmm.
So better by 7 o'clock you can have your dinner.
Correct.
8 o'clock, 8:30 go to sleep.
Right.
And when you get up at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock to get ready to go for the morning.
So just before the race, if there's a new runner, they have a lot of questions कि race से पहले हम लोग क्या खाएं?
Evening when you have that light meal,
Yeah.
and morning when you get up, you have a lot of gap in
Gap,
between.
yeah.
And even if you go to sleep, you're not doing much. Your body organs are working.
Right.
Energy is getting down.
Right.
Going for a race or a run, you shouldn't go empty stomach.
Right.
When you get up, have water, get your system get clear. I always have a banana,
Yes. Same
half
here.
banana.
Yeah.
I have 2 dates,
Right.
and I have a coffee shot to get in that groove.
Correct.
So
Basically, keeping the things really simple. What all we eat and consume in day-to-day lives, when we run, we train, we practice, we just need to continue and continue doing that. Is that the ideal biggest mantra?
nothing new. Just tried and tested, like banana you have, dates you have, coffee you have, and at least I think so 15 minutes before your run,
Right.
stop everything. Don't have
Correct.
anything. So-
Because you don't want to run a run on a full
washroom.
stomach and
Yeah.
run to the washroom as well. So friends, these were the very important questions what a lot of runners have been asking their coaches, fellow runners, and Coach Girish Bindra has been kind enough to answer all of them for all the runners out there. So Coach Girish, final words for the runners out there who are running at Tata Mumbai Marathon 2023.
You have trained well. You have done the hard work. Now you just have to go, race, enjoy the run. I am sure you will do well. Just be in a positive frame of mind. Stay calm, relax. How you feel, how you be in that moment, just go and enjoy it. Don't stress much. Don't think much. I'm sure you'll do good. And always listen to your body. Start
Yes.
easy, maintain in the middle, finish strong. Slowly build up the momentum. All the best, you'll have a superb run.
And friends, this is one of the most beautiful experiences to participate in such a prestigious global event, the premier running event in India and one of the top running events in the world's running calendar, the Tata Mumbai Marathon 2023. Just enjoy how Coach Girish said. So wishing everyone out there all the very best.
All the best. See you on the race day.